Have you heard about Jotform? It is my favorite online form builder for small businesses because it is easy to use, both on desktop and the mobile app. They offer lots of integrations and customization options, and they allow access to all of their features with only a free plan. In this short video, I'm going to take you behind the scenes to see how Jotform works and how I use it to save me time and streamline my workflows. Plus, I'll be sure to point out any limitations or restrictions that you should be aware of. So let's get started. This is Jotform. Some of this may look familiar to you if you've ever created an online form, survey, or quiz before. For instance, you can add the basic name and email fields to your form, along with fields like multiple choice questions, rating scales, open-ended questions, and even date pickers. Jotform even offers some advanced fields that you can add to your form, such as an e-signature field, a file upload area, and even an appointment setting tool where you can set the parameters for your availability and meeting times. You can even customize what happens after someone submits your form. You can redirect them to a personal thank you page, send customized emails, and even have data from new form responses sent to other programs. But we'll get to that more in a minute. And don't worry, you don't have to create your forms from scratch. Jotform offers an enormous library of templates to jumpstart your form building process and save you valuable time. You can find templates for just about everything, from event registration forms to feedback questionnaires, even product order form. Just choose the one that speaks to you and then fully customize it by adding questions, updating fields, and even adding your brand identity. That's one of the great things about Jotform is you can customize nearly everything about your form's layout, from the order and size of the fields, to adding brand images and colors, to customizing the font and spacing. Now that we've covered the basics, let's talk about some of my favorite features in Jotform, starting with payment processing. With Jotform, you can sell products, offer services, and even raise funds all from your form without needing a website. Continuing with the t-shirt example we started earlier, you'll see it's really easy to create and update products, add variations and options, and choose from a variety of payment integrations that will allow you to process payments quickly and securely. You can process up to 10 payments per month on Jotform's free plan, and they don't charge you any additional processing fees. Now let's talk about conditional logic. I love conditional logic because it allows you to create smart and dynamic forms that adapt to your users' inputs, meaning you can show or hide specific questions or sections based on what your respondent answers. For instance, let's say you want to collect additional information for anyone who orders a t-shirt from you and owns a business. You can use conditional logic to only ask the business-related questions when someone fills out the form saying, yes, they do own a business. This allows you to streamline your forms while still being able to gather all the information you're looking for. Now let's talk about what happens after someone fills out your online form. As far as getting notified, you can choose to receive an email notification and/or a mobile app notification. Just download the Jotform mobile app, customize what you wanted to say, and you're ready to go. Now we're going to talk about how the data from new form submissions can be automatically sent to other online programs like Mailchimp, Google Sheets, Trello, and more. This is another feature I absolutely love about Jotform because it allows you to automate your workflows and save tons of time. As you can see, there is a large list of programs that Jotform integrates with. And the good news is you're not limited to just one. You can have multiple integrations per form. Okay, the last cool feature I need to point out to you about Jotform, and you're going to love this if you're a numbers person, is their amazing analytics. You can track and analyze your form submissions, view response rates, and gain valuable insights into your respondent's behavior. This data-driven approach allows you to make informed decisions and optimize your forms for better results. Now, as promised, I do want to touch base on a few limitations or restrictions with Jotform's free plan. While they generously give you access to all of their features, they do put limitations on the maximum number of uses per month. For instance, with the Jotform free plan, you can only have up to 5 active forms in your account at any time. You can process up to 10 payments per month. You can accept up to 10 e-signatures per month. And you can collect up to 100 form responses per month. Also, some advanced features like HIPAA-compliant forms and white label branding are only available with paid plans. If you decide to upgrade, Jotform makes it really easy, and they'll often host sales where you can save up to 50% off an annual subscription. So with Jotform, you not only have the ability to create personalized and dynamic forms, but you also have access to advanced features like e-signatures, payment processing, and detailed form analytics. It's a true one-stop solution for all your form building needs. Jotform is truly one of my favorite online form builders. And after helping so many clients to create and customize their perfect forms, I decided to become an affiliate. So if you have any questions or you want to know more about Jotform's features, please let me know in the comments. And if you'd like to give Jotform a try, I included my affiliate link. Good luck, and I can't wait to see what forms you build.